Welcome to the CISI Fundamentals of Financial Services Study Master. This platform is designed to build your foundation in financial services, covering key topics for the 2025 syllabus. Here, you can track your progress through chapter summaries, mock exams, and overall course completion. The Summaries section offers distilled expert content based on the official syllabus. Chapter 1, for example, covers ethics and integrity, the UK's Twin Peaks regulatory model, and key roles like the FCA and PRA. Within each summary, you'll find examinable areas, common pitfalls to watch out for, and exam tricks to help you ace your test. These sections highlight critical concepts and common misinterpretations. The Numerical Values section consolidates important figures and limits. You'll also find a list of potential exam traps to ensure you're aware of tricky wording and key differentiators. The course is divided into 8 chapters, covering everything from saving and borrowing to more complex topics like derivatives and various financial markets. The Quick Cheat Sheet is a searchable resource for key definitions, rules, penalties, and thresholds. Using the tabs, you can filter for specific information needed for quick recall on exam day. Active recall is best practiced with the study flashcards. These cards present a question, like what is yield to maturity, YTM, and you can click to reveal the answer. Once you reveal the answer, you can decide whether you got it or need more review. This helps track your mastery of key facts and rules. The Mock Exam Hub provides 4 unique full-length practice exams with unlimited attempts. These include Foundations, Applied, Advanced, and Mixed exams to test different knowledge levels. When starting a mock exam, you'll see the time limit and number of questions. Remember that upon submission, you can review detailed explanations for all questions, with a pass mark of 70%. During an exam, the question progress and remaining time are clearly displayed. Select your answer and proceed to the next question using the navigation buttons. After completing an exam, the detailed correction review shows your score and provides explanations for both correct and incorrect answers, reinforcing your learning. Finally, the AI Study Tutor is available in beta to answer questions about the course material, exam tips, or specific topics, providing an interactive learning experience.